Another example. Find the value of 16 divided by 3 square. Solution. (16 divided by 3 square). Now, we have the numerator to be what? 16. Why denominator is 3? So in this case, these two will affect both the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, we have 16 square divided by 3 square. Now, what does this mean? 16 square means 16 times 16, and that is 256. And 3 square means what? 3 times 3, that is what? 9. So in this case, we are going to use the long division to do this. Using long division, we have 9, which is the divisor, and the dividend, which is 256. In this case, we start with the first two numbers. Look at 9. So the first two number we have here is 25. That is, 25 is the first two. 25 divided by 9, what do we have? That is 2. 2 times 9, what are we going to have? 18. Then we take away. Taking away, what do we have? 25 minus 18. That's what? 7. Now we bring down the 6 that we have left there up. You know, we didn't use the 6 previously, so you have to bring it down. So we have 76. Now, we can now go further by dividing again. 76 divided by 9, what do we have? How many 9 we give? How many 9 are we going to have in 76? We know the very close number. 9 times 9 is 81. So, by the time you look at 9 times 7. So we know that 9 times 7, we look at 9 times 8 rather. 9 times 8 is 72. We know that 9 times 7 is 63. So we look at 9 times 8, which is 72. So it means that 76 divided by 9 is 8. 8 times 9, 72. So we take away. 76 minus 72, what do we have? 4. So in this case, this is the remainder. And we have the divisor, and we have the dividend, and we have the quotient here, which is 28. Now, the final answer is, what is the quotient that we have here? 28. 28 whole number. What is the remainder? 4. And what's the divisor? 9. So 28 whole number, 4 over 9. That's the answer.